YouTube Vanced was never officially released for smart TVs, but you can still get its modern replacement, Revanced for TV, running on most Android TV and Google TV devices. This gives you an ad-free, premium-style YouTube experience right on your TV. Here's the clean, step-by-step setup. First, confirm that your TV uses Android TV or Google TV. Brands like Sony, TCL, Hisense, and Chromecast with Google TV work perfectly. Samsung and LG TVs do not support Vanced or Revanced unless you use an external Android TV box. Next, you need to allow app installations from outside the Play Store. Go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access, Install Unknown Apps, and enable permissions for your file manager. Now download the required APK files on your phone or computer. Revanced YouTube, TV version, microG, needed for Google sign-in. Make sure you download them only from trusted community sources. Transfer the APK files to your smart TV using Send Files to TV, a USB drive, or cloud storage. Open your file manager on the TV, install microG first, then install the Revanced YouTube TV app. Once installed, open the app and sign in using microG. From here, you'll get an enhanced YouTube experience with no ads, background playback, sponsor block, and a cleaner interface designed for televisions. Use caution, install safely, and enjoy a smoother YouTube experience on your smart TV.